On up runway 01 right, Jetstar 815. Brisbane target Air Killing 1971 ready.
Killing 1971 Brisbane Tower. New Zealand 142, contact departures.
Departures New Zealand 142 and we have hit a sparrow just on rotation there.
New Zealand 142.
We'll get that inspected, thanks.
Jetstar 815, okay, what I might need to do then is I have someone on final, so if you can taxi down the runway and vacate at Alpha 4 Sierra, please.
Taxi down the runway, vacated Alpha 4 Sierra, we're starting to get tight on fuel as well, Jetstar 815. Target A, Connor 608.
Connor 608, Brisbane Tower.
And tower car 3 down at Alpha.
Car 3,
Alright, heading domestic.
tower, oh you're up there again, okay. Car 3 at Alpha 1, enter runway 01 right. Jetstar on the runway will be vacated at Alpha 4 Sierra.
Alright, so 01 right, and copy Jetstar will be vacating. Copy.
Jetstar 815 on vacating, contact ground 121.7.
17 vacating, where do we stand in the queue when we come back, Jetstar 815?
I'll get you away as soon as I can.
Jetstar 815.
Brisbane Tower, velocity 1255, ready to go.
Velocity 1255, Brisbane Tower.
And tower, was this around rotation again, hotel 3 and 4?
Car 3, yeah, it was anywhere from Hotel 4 northbound. They said it was on rotation and they said that they did hit one this time.
Copy.
Connor 608, continue approach. We're just getting the runway inspected. We did have a bird strike. I'll get back to you in a sec. Connor 608, they may not be able to complete the inspection. Are you happy to land?
Okay, I'm Connor 608.
Car 3, vacate runway 01 right.
We'll vacate 01 right, car 3. Vacated 01 right, looking at hotel 3.
Car 3, thank you. Connor 608, wind 320 degrees, 4 knots, runway 01 right, cleared to land.
Runway 01 right, clear to land, Connor 608. Tower, Killing 404, Delta's ready.
Killing 404 Delta, Brisbane Tower.
Brisbane Tower, velocity 045 ready.
Velocity 045, Brisbane Tower. Right, I'll have a safety vehicle enter the runway at Hotel 3.
Copy that, and do you know where the bird approximately was struck?
Oh, it would have been north of your current position.
Connor 608, thank you.
Car 3, Hotel 3, enter runway 01 right.
At hotel 3, enter 01 right, car 3.
Killing 404, Delta,
just realised we only got to Bravo 9, hold short. Do you want us to go back to ground for Alpha 9?
Killing 404 Delta AFM, just give them another call, please.
We'll do, Killing 404 Delta.
Did you copy that?
Car 3, no, I didn't. Say again.
Vacated 01 right, nil fine, runway 7.
Car 3, thanks for your help again.
No problem.
Killing 404 Delta 3.
Killing 404 Delta Tower. Qantas 195, runway 01 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 01 right, Qantas 195.
Killing 404 Delta assigned heading right 120, hold short, runway 01 right.
Sun heading right 120, hold short 01 right. Killing 404 Delta.
Team 71, line up, runway 01 right.
No, runway 01 right, killing 971.
Okay, Qantas 517 Heavy's ready.
Qantas 517 Heavy, Brisbane Tower. Qantas 195, contact departures, g'day.
Departures, Qantas 195, good day.
Killing 1971, runway 01 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 01 right, killing 1971.
Well, 55, line up, runway 01 right.
Line up 01 right, velocity 1255.
Velocity 1255. As you line up, I will be lining up the 73 from the full length as well.
Sweet.
Velocity 045, your number 2 to the Fokker lining up at Alpha 7. For you, at Alpha 9, line up and wait. Runway 01 right.
Number 2, line up and wait. 01 right, velocity 055.
Killing 1971, contact departures, g'day.
Clear departures, good day, killing 971.
Velocity 1255, runway 01 right, clear for takeoff.
01 right, good takeoff, velocity 1255.
Station's information, Victor, changes wind 330 degrees, 8 knots, QNH 1015.
Singapore 255 is Beach Island 01, right.
Singapore 255 Heavy, Brisbane Tower, g'day.
Brisbane Tower, Jetstar A315 back with you, ready.
Jetstar A15, Brisbane Tower. Velocity 1255, contact departures.
Go departure, plus 12 departure.
Velocity 045, runway 01 right, clear for takeoff.
01 right, clear for takeoff, velocity 045.
Brisbane Tower, corner 619, ready.
Corner 619, Brisbane Tower. Killing 404 Delta, line up, runway 01 right.
Let us 01 right, killing 404 Delta.
.404 Delta, runway 01 right, clear for takeoff.
01 right, clear for takeoff, killing 404 Delta.
Zero 45, contact departures.
Departure velocity 045.
Singapore 255, wind 240 degrees 6 knots, runway 01 right, cleared to land.
01 right, clear to land, Singapore 255.
.404 Delta, contact departures, g'day.
Departures, killing 404 Delta, okay.
Qantas 517, line up, runway 01 right.
Line up, runway 01 right, Qantas 515. Velocity 447 ready.
Velocity 447, Brisbane Tower.
China South 382.
Velocity 925, Brisbane Tower. Singapore 255, I'm vacating, contact ground 121 decimal 7.
217 Singapore 255.
Qantas 517, runway 01 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 01 right, Qantas 517.
Velocity 925, wind 190 degrees, 3 knots, runway 01 right, cleared to land.
Right, velocity 925.
Velocity 925, runway 01 right.
Yep.
517, contact departures.
Departures, Qantas 517.
Thank you. Jetstar 815, line up, runway 01 right.
Line up runway 01 right, Jetstar 815.
Jetstar 815, runway 01 right, clear for takeoff.
Runway 01 right, clear for takeoff, Jetstar 815.
Take it over to 322.
Velocity 322, Brisbane Town. Velocity 447, line up, runway 01 right.
Line up 01 right, velocity 447.
Jetstar 815. Velocity 447, the preceding departure said he may have hit a bird. Would you like the runway inspected prior to your departure?